Okay, you guys are going to love this super easy crock pot recipe. It's perfect for busy weeknights. It's so simple and only has a few ingredients. First, I'm throwing in some boneless pork chops, and then I'm dumping on 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Next, throw in a packet of ranch seasoning. I just sprinkle it all over my pork chops. And then I'm just using a spoon to spread it out over the pork chops and make sure that they're completely covered. Put your lid on top and then cook on high for 4 hours or on low for 6 hours. When the time is up, your dish is ready. This is what your pork chops are going to look like, and trust me, they are just going to fall apart on your plate. You can even cut it with a fork. You can serve it with whatever side you like. We did rice and mashed potatoes in a salad, and then we're using some of the sauce in the pan as our gravy. But feel free to serve with whatever veggies or sides your family loves. This is a meal that we keep on repeat in our house just because it's so simple and the entire family loves it. Be sure to save this recipe and follow for more easy recipes.